What did Mama have, huh? She got some tickets to a Bison game? Huh?
The young one did?
Huh? JJ.
Yeah, but I thought he was talking to both of them.
No.
Thea for sure.
Only one made it out of those three.
Oh, Thea.
Dad's making lasagna.
That's what you want to call it. She doesn't look terrible by any means.
Well, first step is looking edible.
Yeah.
Of course, there's the pups. They think they're going to get something.
Holy.
Any other good stuff in there, Jaylee?